Hi students, welcome to your channel MRNS Educational and Social Service. Dear students, in this video we discuss some more problems on circles chapter. See, question. The locus of a center of a circle. He want locus of center of a circle. Important point is center. Which cuts given circle orthogonally. Given circle orthogonally. And also touches a given line. So, circle is not given, but it is a given circle. Let be given circle as x square plus y square equal to a square. అదే ఎందుకు అనుకోవాలి మీ ఇష్టం ఏదైనా అనుకోండి గివెన్ సర్కిల్ అన్నప్పుడు ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఏ కాన్స్టెంట్ అండ్ గివెన్ లైన్ x మైనస్ k ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సార్ లైన్ అనగానే ఎక్స్ వైలు ఉంటాయి కదా, మీరేంటి x మైనస్ k అన్నాడు, ప్రూవ్ చేయమన్నాడు. మనం ఏదైనా 2 లైన్స్ తీసుకుందాం. గివెన్ సర్కిల్ అన్నాడు, గివెన్ లైన్ అన్నాడు. నేను y ఈక్వల్ టు k తీసుకుంటాను సార్, తీసుకోండి. x ప్లస్ y ఈక్వల్ టు ఏదో సమ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ k తీసుకుంటాను సార్, తీసుకోండి. kనే తీసుకోకల్లా మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన ఒక వాల్యూ తీసుకోవచ్చు. 1 కానీ 2 కానీ 3 కానీ మీ ఇష్టం. ఇక్కడ ఏ స్క్వేర్ అనుకోకల్లా 4 కానీ 16 కానీ 9 కానీ తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఏ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి వాల్యూ, k is also whatever it may be value. He want locus of center of circle. Let h comma k be center and r be radius of required circle. Required circle means వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన సెంటర్ లోకస్ కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. మీ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ లోకస్ అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. స్టూడెంట్స్, మనకు ఒక సర్కిల్ ఉంది, దాని యొక్క సెంటర్ లోకస్ కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. దీని యొక్క రేడియస్ r అనుకున్నాను. ఈ సర్కిల్ ఆర్థోగోనల్ గా కట్ చేస్తుంది అన్నాడు. ఆర్థోగోనల్ 2 సర్కిల్స్ ఆర్థోగోనల్ కట్టేస్తే షూటెడ్ పాయింట్. ఇఫ్ సర్కిల్స్ కట్ ఆర్థోగోనల్లీ we have condition d square equal to r1 square plus r2 square. D is distance between centers. See, here we have h comma k. In line, don't take k value, we take b, 1 x minus b equal to 0. This circle center is origin. Locus circle center is h comma k. D square means distance. It becomes h square plus k square. R1 square. First circle radius a square. R2 square r square. We have to eliminate r because we consider radius r. Don't eliminate hk. He want locus of center. This is the one relation we got. Our circle having center h comma k and radius r touches this line. If circle touches the line, we have condition r equal to d. Since circle touches line, x minus b equal to 0 implies condition is r equal to d. R into radius of circle r. D means distance between center to the line. Here center h comma k. Line is x minus h. Mod h minus k, h minus b by root of a square plus b square, 1 square plus 0 square. Implies mod h minus b, r value. From 1 h square plus k square equal to a square. R value is h minus b. R square means h minus b whole square. Now locus of h comma k is, locus means replace x in place of h, y in place of k. X square plus y square equal to a square plus x minus b whole square. Students, y square equal to, use a minus b formula, x square, this x square getting cancelled, minus 2ab, that means 2bx, b square plus a square. By observe this equation, y square equal to x terms, it seems to be of the form like this: y square equal to ax plus b. Here x term, it is a constant. Y square equal to some constant. It seems to be a parabola. Parabola shape is y square equal to ax plus b, or y square equal to 4ax. Some constant unna undochu. It is a locus is a parabola. Locus is a parabola. So my answer is the option C. First option is circle, second option is line, fourth option is ellipse, third option is a parabola. Okay na students? Next, very important model question. See, x square plus y square equal to 16 and x square plus y square equal to 36 are two circles. If P and Q moves respectively on these two circles, ఒక సర్కిల్ మీద P ఉంటే ఇంకో సర్కిల్ మీద Q, say this is 1, this is 2. P is on this circle, Q is on this circle, such that PQ length is how much? 4. Then the locus of the midpoint of PQ is a circle of radius అన్నాడు. స్టూడెంట్స్, దీన్ని మనం డిఫరెంట్ వేస్ లో చేసుకోవచ్చు. దీనికి ఈజీ మెథడ్ నేను ఇలా చెప్తాను, జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. సర్కిల్ సెంటర్ ఆరిజిన్, ఫస్ట్ సర్కిల్, సెకండ్ సర్కిల్ సెంటర్ ఆరిజిన్. Its radius is 4, this radius is 6. Second circle is the big circle, first circle is the small circle. Both have concentric circles because center is same, that is origin. C is origin. Okay, what is given here? One point is on the circle, another point. First circle మీద point P ఉంది. Let us take here P. Second circle మీద point Q ఉంది. ఈ P Q జాయిన్ చేస్తే ఎంత అవుతుంది మనకి? వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చేసారు PQ is 4 అని. This is 4. Given PQ as a 4. The locus of the midpoint of PQ. PQ midpoint locus, say R. So let R equal to midpoint of PQ. Okay na students? ఎప్పుడైతే R midpoint of PQ అవుతుందో, he want locus of R. Locus of R he want. That locus is a circle is given. Locus of R is a circle. That means R lies on the circle. R lies on circle. Some circle. R lies on some circle. Now let us see here. If you join this center, CP becomes radius of the first circle. CQ becomes radius of the second circle. CP equal to radius of 1. How much? 4. CQ equal to radius of second circle. How much? 6. My dear students, if joint C and R, now it is R is the midpoint. Let us take like this. It is C, it is P, it is Q. Midpoint is R. Students, మనకి మిడ్ పాయింట్ తెలిస్తే అపోలినియస్ థియరం అని ఉంది. By Apollonius theorem, sides square, sum of the squares, CP square plus CQ square equal to 2 times of CR square plus this distance or this distance square, PR square. Apollonius theorem antam. The sum of the squares of these two sides equal to 2 times of this side distance square or this, whatever it may be, CR. I told you locus of R is a circle. That means locus of R is a circle. R is a point on the circle. CR becomes a radius of the circle, students. R circle మీద ఉంది, ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఫిక్స్డ్ గా ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడు మనకి ఇలా సర్కిల్ ఇలా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. CR becomes radius అవుతుంది. ఓకే. CP how much? 4 square. CQ how much? 6 square. 2 times of CR square. PR is the midpoint. We know PQ length is 4. PQ length is 4. R is midpoint. R midpoint అయితే therefore ఏమవుతుంది? It is 2, it is 2. Because PQ is 4. PR 2 square. So 16 plus 36. 16 36. 52. Equal to 2 into CR square plus 4. 2 cancel చేసుకోండి. CR square plus 4 equal to 26 times పోతుంది. CR square equal to 22. CR equal to root 22. My dear students, CR is a point on the circle. ఇది ఫిక్స్డ్ గా తీసుకొని డిస్టెన్స్ ని మనం R పాయింట్ సర్కిల్ మీద ఉంటే CR becomes the radius of the circle. Therefore, radius of the circle equal to root 22. Very, very important model question, students. Now, students, another question. If the locus of the center of the circle which bisects the circumference of the circles. Here we have one circle. He wants locus of that locus of center of that circle. That circle bisects the given two circles. Circumference. Its circumference bisects the locus circle. Let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 be any circle. He wants locus of center of this circle. Therefore, minus g comma minus f is center. He wants locus of this center. From data, he wants locus of minus g comma minus f. When one bisects the circumference of the circles 2 and 3, one bisects circumference of circles 2 and 3 respectively. Dear students, జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. Let us take this circle. It is the circle 2. Circle 1 bisects the circumference. Circumference అంటే ఈ సర్కంఫరెన్స్ ఈ చుట్టుకొలత మొత్తాన్ని బైసెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది అంటున్నాడు. బైసెక్ట్ అంటే 1 2 కామన్ కార్డ్ 2 సెంటర్ గుండా పాస్ అవుతుంది. కామన్ కార్డ్ ఆఫ్ 1 and 2 is s minus s dash equal to 0. According to that formula, let me this as s, it is s dash, it becomes 2gx plus 2fy plus c. S minus s dash, bring this 4 to this side, it becomes, when you subtract, this minus 4 becomes here plus 4. It passes through center of 2 because circumference bisects. It passes through center of 2, that equal to 0 0. Substitute 0 0 here. 0 plus c plus 4 equal to 0. C equal to minus 4. Here we got value of c. Similarly, this circle is also bisects this circumference. That means common chord of 1 and 3 passes through center of 3. You may take like this. It is the circle 2. Let be like this. It's a common chord passes through center. Rough ga gistunnanu. It is a rough diagram, not exactly diagram. Rough diagram. This circle bisects the circumference of this circle and circumference of this circle. That means it is the rough diagram. Common chord of 1 and 3. Similar procedure. Common chord of 1 and 3. Common chord means subtract those two circles. This value write down minus this. X square y square getting cancelled. 2gx minus of minus plus అవుతుంది. Take x common. 2g plus 2 into x. This value minus this. 2f minus 6 into y. C minus 1 equal to 0. It passes through center of 3. What is center? It passes through center of 3. That equal to, center means half of the x coefficient sign change. 1 comma minus 3. Substitute here 1 comma minus 3. 2g plus 2 into x place lo 1. 2f minus 6 into y place lo minus 3. Here we got c value minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 equal to 0. When you multiply with 1, it becomes 2g. When you multiply with minus 3, it becomes minus 6f. Next. Here constant 2. When you multiply with minus 18 is constant. Minus 18. Minus into minus plus 18. Here plus 2. 20. Minus 5, that means plus 15. You want locus of center. Locus means you take x, y. Implies locus of center is x equal to minus g, g equal to minus x. 2 into minus x. Minus 6 into minus y plus 15 equal to 0. divide with minus, multiply with minus, we becomes 2x minus 6y minus 15 equal to 0. This is the answer. Okay, now students. So please practice these questions, and also we have one video on the circles, previous video. Please practice all these questions. My dear students, please tell to your friends about my channel. So please subscribe my channel if anyone not subscribed it. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.